Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Leo inspired look since we are in the Leo season. So go ahead and keep on watching to see how I achieve a Leo inspired look. As you can see, Leo inspired. I'm wearing cheetah print, gold. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids. I'm going to use the Morphe translucent eye primer. And the reason why I do this is because I have hooded eyelids. You can just use concealer if you want to prime your eyelids, but since I have hooded eyelids, I need something that's going to be super tacky, which this is super tacky. And then I'm just going to blend that out. With is from the Ring the Alarm palette, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Access, which is this one. It's like a nice mustardy color. To my crease, and I'm gonna give this a cat eye effect so it looks nice and winged out. What was I gonna say? I know a lot of people were saying these palettes were really bad. I will say that they're not all bad. I just think that some shades don't work. Like some shades are just really patchy. Like the green one from this palette, Top Secret. That one can get pretty patchy. But like the regular shades, like the yellows, the oranges, those are really easy to blend out. The browns are a little patchy too. But I still really like these palettes. I mean, they didn't do so well, but I still like them. Then I'm gonna go in with is the orangey shade from the James Charles palette, which is this one. That one right there. And I'm gonna put that below this shade. I'm just gonna start applying this all over the lid. Okay, so I'm just going back in with that shade from Armed and Gorgeous. This is a hard one because I really like this one from the Juvia's palette, but I also like this one from, this one from the Armed and Gorgeous palette. I'm gonna go with the one from the Juvia's palette. I think that one will work better. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna start on the inner corner and diffuse that outwards. So I'm taking the Sephora Matte Brown Retractable Eyeliner, waterproof. Kind of make this into a winged liner, but not super harsh, and I'm going to diffuse that out. So let me go ahead and show you. I hate when I scrape my eyeliner with my cap. Biggest pet peeve. So I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Crayon Contour in the shade Coconut, and I'm gonna put that on my waterline. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna go in with the shade Smooth Criminal from the Ring the Alarm palette, and I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. So I'm going to charge my camera. I'm going to finish just the lower lash line and then put on lashes. So I'm back. So the only thing I did was I finished the lower lash line. So what I did was use the shade Smooth Criminal and Access, and I blended those two together. And then I just put Omrizi highlight on my brow bone and blended that out. And then I used the Allure Nicole Guerrero lashes. So that's pretty much what I did for the eyes. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Precisely my brow pencil in the shade 3.75. And I'm going to use that to make some freckles. So I'm going to take my Real Techniques and I'm going to blend that out. So I'm going to be using the Omrizi highlight and the Wet n Wild highlighter. This one's in the shade Golden Flower Crown. So I'm going to put this one on first and then put this one on top. So now I'm just putting the Wet n Wild highlight on top. I just want the Wet n Wild one to give it more of a goldy effect, so that's why I'm putting that one on top. Next thing I'm going to do is probably the hardest part of the whole look. I'm going to be putting the Leo sign on top of my forehead, like in this middle part sign is gonna be the Fenty Beauty Banana Blaze eyeliner. Lord Jesus, be with me. We first want to do a circle for sure. So this is the Leo sign. I'm gonna actually add some shading to it. So I'm gonna go in with a orange shade from the James Charles palette, and I'm just gonna use that one right there. And I'm gonna take that on the inside of the Leo sign. Okay, so I'm going to take this gold shade from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to take this tiny brush so I'm just adding some of that gold just around it very lightly, kind of surrounding it and giving it like a nice shadow. Fenty Beauty liquid liner in the shade Wet T-shirt, and I'm gonna put that in the middle of the Leo sign. I want it to look more neon. This is gonna kind of give that effect. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Rouge lip liner in the shade Molasses, and I'm gonna outline my lips with this. So then I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia liquid lip in the shade Crush and put that on top. I'm gonna set my face with the Dewy Set by Anastasia. Some highlight on my nose. Alright, and that is it for this Leo inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was actually really fun. I like these colors, orangey, yellowy colors. I'll probably be doing more hopefully during the month since it is Leo's month. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go ahead and like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video.